welcome back to Tracy's Kitchen. That's me for another episode of Tasty Yet Healthy. This is where every week I bring you recipes that I cook for my family right here in my kitchen. We don't follow any strict diet. We don't count calories. We don't count points. We just make healthy food and we make it taste great. And just by making these simple changes in my life, I've been able to lose almost 60 pounds in 1 year. And one of the ways that I've been able to do that is by having healthy snacks on hand. So today we're going to focus our attention to zucchini, a very healthy vegetable. We got a lot coming in for summer. What are we going to do with all these zucchinis that we have? We're going to make a snack with it today. And so let me show you what we're going to make. All right, so we are making Zucchini Bites today. It's a great appetizer to have on hand, whether you're watching a movie or entertaining, or maybe you're just wanting a snack for the family. This is a delicious snack to have on hand. It's nutritious. It's got zucchini. Maybe you're planting a garden. Maybe you just have went to the farmer's market, got a lot of zucchini, not sure what to do with your abundance. You can make this really great snack. Not a lot of ingredients needed. One thing I like to point out is some changes that I've made in my diet in order to incorporate healthier options. So I've switched out the enriched white flour and we're going with an almond flour today. And instead of already having grated Parmesan cheese, we're going to grate it ourselves fresh here. So it doesn't have all that preservatives in it. So very few ingredients. We're just going to mix it all in the bowl. And first we're going to preheat the oven to 425 and bake them in the oven once we get everything in the bowl. So I have a bowl here, and you're just going to squeeze it. And you'll see a bunch of liquid come out. If you don't drain the liquid from it, then your bites will be soggy, and you don't want them to. So we have our 1 cup of Parmesan cheese in here, and we have our dried zucchini. You can see all the liquid is out of it. Now for the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so we have mixed all the ingredients together and we have our zucchini tots all ready to go in the oven. The oven is preheated to 425. We want to use some kind of olive oil. You can baste it or you can buy the olive oil in a can. Just spray it. This is going to give that brown coating on the top when you bake it. So now we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes until it gets that nice crispiness on the outside of it. Our zucchini bites are all done. They smell amazing. They look delicious. Wanted to let you in on a little tip. When you're making these, I used a pretty large tablespoon and I had said about 15 minutes. Mine did require a little bit more baking time, about 20 minutes or so. When you're baking them, just keep an eye on them at that 425 and make sure that they get that nice golden brown on the top. When they're got that brown, then you know that they're done. If you make them smaller, then of course you'll get less baking time. Want to point out I also have marinara sauce to go with it. I love marinara. This is actually my favorite marinara sauce. It's Rayo's, and the reason why it's my favorite is because there's no added stuff in it that you don't know what it is. It's all whole ingredients, and so you can feel good about the sauce that you're eating. Now, I can't wait to try it, so I'm gonna dig in here. You can see all the green in it. I don't know if you can actually see it, but all right, here we go. Let's try it. Amazing. They are so good. So whether you're whipping them up for a family, whether you're whipping them up for friends, enjoy it and feel good about the snack that you're eating because it's tasty yet healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And you can even see what I eat every day if you'd like to follow me on Instagram at Tasty Yet Healthy. I'll see you next time in my kitchen.